guys, what's up? It's Amena.
It's Elias.
Elias is behind the camera. Today we are cooking. We haven't done a cooking video in a long time. Today we're going to be making KIKIL. So let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, you're going to need lamb, onions, tomatoes, garlic, jalapeno, salt, turmeric, ginger, cumin, pepper, oil, kibe, and optional green pepper. Step one, you're gonna find the biggest pan that you have, and then literally this is the easiest thing to make, which is why I like it so much. You just put everything in the pan and then forget about it. I'm gonna turn my stove on and I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So I have 2 pounds of meat here. This is lamb. I washed it and I just cut it up into like, I don't know, 4-inch pieces. And I'm gonna put the lamb inside. Now I'm gonna add 4 onions. I'm going to add 3 tomatoes. This was about 1 like whole ball of garlic cut into small pieces. This is 2 jalapenos. And optional, but I also use a half of a green pepper. This is red, same difference. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and then I'm gonna add some turmeric. That'll give it the nice yellow color. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. It depends on how much meat and stuff you use. So about that much. Gonna mix this together. Okay, I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes and then I'll come back and add a little bit of water if it needs. But for now, that's pretty much it. It's so easy.
Yeah.
That's why I love making KIKIL. It's not easy to say, but alright, I'll be back in about 10 minutes to check on this. So this is how it looks after just 10 minutes. All of those juices are coming out of the meat, the tomatoes, the onions. And let it cook for about 5 minutes and then we'll add some water to this. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, pretty much like to cover this. And I also turned the heat down. And right now I'm gonna cover it back up and now I'm just gonna let this cook for about 1 hour. 1 hour. But the good thing is you can kind of just forget about it, you know? Okay guys, so it's been 1 hour. Elias is hangry right now, so I have to finish this fast. So anyways, let me show you guys how it looks. It smells so delicious. You guys can see the meat is cooked. The lamb is cooked so perfectly. You can see all of the juices. So now what we're going to do is we're going to finish this off by adding some of our spices. Rosemary, cumin, salt. I'm going to use 2 rosemaries. I'm just gonna add my salt now. Add the salt to taste. Everybody's a little bit different. I just taste it and see how it is. If it needs more, add more. So also gonna add some kibe. The kibe also it's naturally salty, so just be mindful of that. So that was like 3 tablespoons of kibe. You guys, I'm so sad because I ran out of my kibe from Ethiopia. Now the only one that I have to buy it here from the US. That's like such a first world problem. They're like, okay. No, I want the original one. It tastes different. Add a little bit of cumin, just a little bit, because this is very strong. So just the tiniest amount. And then a little bit of ginger, but it's actually better to use fresh ginger. If you have fresh ginger, that would make it taste really good too. Just a little bit, because ginger is so, like, you know, spicy. I'm gonna add a couple more jalapenos for Luca, because my husband likes it spicy. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more jalapenos. I took the seeds out because I don't want it to be that spicy, but it'll just add like a nice spice that doesn't burn. Can you guys see? Look at this meat. Oh my god. Looks so good. Look at these pieces of meat. Look at that. Looks so delicious. You know, like whenever you order from the restaurant KIKIL, they give you like one piece of meat. Ugh, that makes me so mad. So whenever I make it, I put a lot of meat. We're gonna taste it right now. Like yeah, it needs more salt. but like it tastes like soup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like it's so cold right now in Dallas too, so it's like perfect. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our injera that we just bought today. So some nice fresh injera from, is this from Aviva? Shout out to Aviva. I'm gonna grab a piece of injera. It doesn't matter if it tears because you're gonna tear it anyways. It doesn't have to be anything special, just tear it with your hands. It's literally been like all day. Me and Elias haven't eaten yet, so it's time. It's time for us to eat. Okay, so you see the injera in there? Yummy, delicious. Now we're just going to get our little ladle and we're going to pour some of the KIKIL into the injera. Get some of the juice to go inside of the injera. Get some nice pieces of meat. I love the lamb in here. It tastes so good. Look at this meat. Yummy deliciousness. This is like the most important thing is this. I'm gonna stir this. You can see it like the juice is soaking into the injera. That's what you want. And put it on the injera. To the top like this. This is the finishing. So you can eat this actually two ways. You can eat it with injera, which is what me and Elias is gonna do, or just grab a spoon. You don't even have to put it on injera. Just grab a spoon and put it in a bowl. Just eat it like that. Both of them are really, really good. Let's go ahead and get the first bite. Let's try it. If you guys can smell, it smells so, so delicious. Elias, he looks like, I want to eat right now. Okay, let's go. That's really good. Wow. I didn't even get any meat yet. Here. Gosha. Oh, not for you guys. That was for Elias. It looked like I gave it to them. How's it?
I'm dying.
I know, right?
So good.
Let me get this meat. Let's try this meat. Let's try this meat. Let's try this meat. So good.
Hey, Bakande, let me eat. What the heck?
No, we're gonna eat right now, guys. Give us about 15 minutes and we'll be back.
You did a good job. Here, high five.
Thank you.
KIKIL by Amena.
KIKIL by Amena. KIKIL. Where's the meat? I feel like I put a lie and I can't find it.
Disappear. It was a lot.
The lamb is so good.
Yeah. You know, I don't care about the meat in the KIKIL.
I know you don't.
Lamb.
Yeah. The same way, like in Dorowa, you don't care about the chicken, but that's my favorite part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the sauce. It's so good.
Sprite. Sprite تفلقالو.
Sprite lantaris?
Kaskaza.
Kaskaza?
Sprite kaskaza.
What about Wuha?
Wuha too, but not kaskaza.
Not kaskaza?
Demolished. We ate that so fast. You guys, I think I touched the jalapeno and then like touched my nose. It's burning.
Yes, it is.
Why?
You should wash it.
I did. I just washed it right now. It's still burning. So what we're doing right now, guys, is we're going to pick the winner for the sweater that we mentioned on the Dananish and Etna reaction video.
Friday's not that
Ooh, advertisement. So we're gonna randomly pick a winner here, and so many people told me that they wanted this sweater, and it made me feel kind of bad because I know a lot of people wanted this sweater, but I could only pick one person. So I went to this website, YouTube Random Comment Picker, so you guys know that I'm not lying, okay? This is it. I'm not lying. We're gonna go to the video. This is Denanish and Ditna. This is my video. Gonna copy the link. I'm gonna paste it right here. And get YouTube comments. Okay, and the winner is okay, Frey Roston, Amena. Oh my, this is Amharic.
Amena and Elias and Nash. Denanish and Ditna. Denana, I only know songs from back in the day, like 23 years back. Do you remember a song
like Dabis Dabis?
Dabis Argish, Taga Taga, Yarakshi, Tayastaushi, Akaf Akaf, Lukat, Tawat, Yarakshi, Latmachi, Tayatangalachi. Yeman Zafar, no.
Do you know those songs?
No, I don't know this song.
Oh,
I hope you enjoyed this one. Lol, it was my favorite song.
Okay.
Who the singer?
Congratulations, Frey Roston. You're the winner. Anyways, is there anything that you want to say? Bamarinya?
No, I'm good.
Bamarinya amasaganalo. Hulum. Antum batam batam. Fikir.
Love you guys.
Yeah.
You can say.
Ani batam fikir holum batam fikir batam wuddishalo batam fikri halu batam amasaganalo. Why are you laughing?
I mean, nothing.
Alright, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
If you like it, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave the comment down below.
We'll see you in our next video. Bye. Peace.